In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a recipe database in WordPress. We'll walk through a simple path using WordPress.com and a dedicated recipe plugin so you can organize ingredients, instructions, and more in one clean, searchable place. Start by opening your browser and heading to the WordPress.com Sites page. This takes you to the dashboard where you manage your sites. Once you're there, look for the Plugins option in the left-hand navigation and click it. The Plugins section is where you'll find tools that add specialized features to your site, like recipe management. In the plugin directory, place your cursor in the search bar and type recipe. This filters the results to plugins designed for cooking content and structured recipe data. When the results load, scan for a plugin called Cooked Recipe Management and select it. Choosing a focused recipe tool matters because it helps you display prep time, cook time, servings, nutrition, and step-by-step directions in a consistent format that readers and search engines understand. On the plugins page, take a moment to review the tabs so you know exactly what you're installing. Click Description to understand the core features and typical use cases. Next, click Installation to see how the setup flow works on WordPress.com, what pages or shortcodes are available, and any prerequisites. Then click Changelog to confirm the plugin is maintained and to see the most recent updates. Active development is a good sign for long-term reliability. Finally, click FAQs to review common questions, compatibility notes, and tips for importing or displaying recipes. When you're ready to proceed, click Get Started. If you see another Get Started prompt, click it as well. This launches a guided setup that pairs your site with the plugin. You'll be taken into a short onboarding flow that helps you pick or connect a domain. Follow the prompts and continue. On the domain step, click Search Domains if you want to register a new address that matches your brand or niche. If you already own a domain elsewhere, choose the option that says Bring it over to WordPress.com. This connects your existing name to your new site so visitors land on your recipes using the address they already know. From there, select the Use Your Domain option when prompted, confirm the domain you want to use, and then click Continue.